Omoruyi, the phone of Sharon, where you delete the Facebook where they inside. Sharon's page is no longer on Sharon's phone, where you go give to your mama.
Hello my people, how una dey? Hope una dey fine. Una do well, una tell me to dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. This video wey una just watch, so na from Victor do am. I go put this video for una, then I go still put another one for una wey Izzy do. So this video is 2 in 1. From Victor send message to Izzy, say everything wey be say it belong to Sharon Kpame, make e return everything back to the family. So according to Frank Victor, the phone wey be say Izzy return go give e brother, the Facebook of Sharon not dey for inside again, because if you wan enter, you need the email and the password to go inside them. According to wetin we dey hear, na Izzy get everything wey be say any social media this thing network, e dey with Izzy, the password and everything. So from here now, Frank come tell Izzy say make you return everything the way e be, make e no be say as far as say e don comot the Facebook, dem no fit log in for inside that Facebook. Okay my people, so Izzy come still do another video. She still explain her whole side. Una go hear am for this video. Abeg if una don watch am finish, make una help me share this video, love this video, leave your comment also wetin una think about everything wey dey go on. So because here wey emega legbone, as dey take talk, am to get as e be, una understand. Person wey be say e no dey alive now, no go fit talk because na, oh my God, this like say maybe she go just fit get up now because we no come know wetin we go come believe again. We no know wetin this one go talk yo, the other one go still talk yo. We no know the one wey we come believe. Sit down look, now we come dey look anyanya. I just pray me everything go well, especially for those 2 children wey be say she leave behind. Okay my brothers and sisters, when we listen to both of them, when una listen to wetin Frank talk and the answer wey Izzy come give am back. Okay my people, na bye bye for now.
My sister Izzy Omoruyi, about Sharon's death and Sharon's property. Izzy Omoruyi, how many times I call you? I dey advise you as a sister. Izzy, dead body matter will not concern you, will not be your relation. You're not supposed to be poor body, especially the things we concern and the things that the property of that same dead person. Izzy, you're not supposed to get there under the custody if you are really a good friend. Izzy, Izzy, my people, I don't want to share this video. Not here now. When I don't say I do video, I say make the family of Okpame come and talk to the general public. So, and I also promise you, I'm going to give you all the updates about the family of Okpame coming out to talk to the general public. Right now, right away, with the information where they reach me now, Izzy Omoruyi, the phone of Sharon, where you delete the Facebook where they inside. Sharon's page is no longer on Sharon's phone, where you go give to your mama. Izzy, go download the Facebook back. Go log in the Facebook account page of Sharon Kpame for that phone, because now there the family want to talk today. Izzy, see, anyway sit down, they give you advice. I know what you know. You see all those secrets where you know about Sharon, where you hide, where you know what the family know. I know all of them, but I don't want to bring up more media. I believe say the issue where they feel settled for inside house 9B. Izzy, the kind of friend where you be to Sharon. I go tell people when time reach, I just want me to bury Sharon peacefully first. The kind of saga where go wage Izzy after Sharon's have been buried, you go to rugged. Izzy, that thing where you know, that palace where you see you want to go to after they don't bury Sharon, you go the palace. Izzy, I just go beg you. You had draw your leg come out. I will advise you again as a sister, as a Benin sister. Izzy, go log in that Facebook back today before this evening. You understand? Because you go to blood you if the family not see Facebook page of Sharon for do broadcast this evening. It can't be said they can't do video sent to present and then present can't post them. Izzy, all your neighbors social media not be joke. When I see the kind of friend we get.
It's so painful say na Facebook na my friend family for the send me message now. So for Victor actually sent a message to me this morning telling me that I should go and put Sharon's Facebook back on her phone. Ah, God. Uwimako. I'm not commercial on Facebook from my phone. I gave, like I told you guys before, Imaro wa Sharon like Koma, Emeya Vienna. So the phone is with the brother. Sharon get iPhone. The iPhone not the on. He can't come away. Now iPhone, I can't neru not do your keru. A problem no because Sharon ma update iOS okay. Even hospital, it took me time before I could on it for her. So if I'm not going my iPhone, I could not do your or it do your I might meeting you. So which now we have flash or dollar. I don't know anything about. Then the phone where Mimi they use. Mimi carry phone come my no be Mimi not even carry phone come my house. Now the mama give me by herself say phone Mimi na hin the gear. But when me je me mala ki be kan no phone me shano ga aragbon iga agbo egbe na we ma ke no be wa de phone je ge ya. Here is a form of distraction for some mothers at least obviously a phone we at the phone je again they will feel see time till they do one or two things. So when Mimi was with me, I literally kept that phone aside. She didn't use that phone throughout because I felt like communicating with her, talking with her always, so that she can be talking properly. So I threw away the phone. Or because of the way me I hurry have a live video. Hey, return no more. Me maybe je dey phone niga areva. Ina wa mo even Tina self ko so yero wa me ni have a view gian. Ina wa really am Mimi gian. Only for them to come tell me say mama phone ina be the phone na be not tion not tion because you pass so wa me. You pa me tin say dia ina be the ne have me phone. That was it. And I don't have anything. I'm not an admin to Sharon's Facebook. Sharon's Facebook even have a problem. If you guys are not careful, she might lose that Facebook forever. Because as of last year, she made a mistake. She removed herself as an admin from the Facebook. It took me a whole day. Natana attention. A whole day to recover that. It was me that recovered that Facebook back for her. It recovered iPhone. So when she was leaving, because she could not make anybody admin, because already while we were mistaken in, and you cannot make anybody admin anymore. When she was going to Nigeria, she begged me to go and post because that time Nigeria was not monetized. So in her go post. As we speak now, even our emails, if that phone, Yamana Metin recover that phone, our emails will be gone. Then let us go to our YouTube. YouTube anymore okay Sharon without Sharon even telling me to open it for her. I opened it for her personally because I felt like Sharon, you are big. I suppose we are on YouTube no anywhere. Sharon Pamet TV, Ria Kiene. So all these things, it was not even on that phone. The other phone, am I even here? That I'm recover. But also now I got busy for 2 days. I was able to help her recover those emails, and I gave it to the brother because of the children. Because if they cannot need it, I don't understand. It's not a page for saga or page for this. It's a page that they need to keep for the children. You understand? So I gave it to the brother and said, yeah, oh, I was able. He said, remaining one email, I'm already recovered till now. When I have time, when I'm less busy, I will try and also recover that. All these things I'm doing it not because of anybody, but because of Sharon and her children. Because Sharon came back, YouTube in now only helping because the YouTube had some fault of which he might met a fix, and I will hold on until the family gave me permission. They should go ahead and do their things themselves. Because me, maybe YouTube may say 5. Even Facebook, you may say I have like 4 monetized Facebook. So why will I be concerned about somebody's Facebook? And you, where God, I don't want to go that side because there's something they were for talk, but it is meant for inside house. Emi Amadoata from Victor Lago, when I'm talking spokesman, a family. Me and Mama Sharon, we did the same radio. He sent a voice note. He even call him a pick. He sent a voice note, my answer. So why would she not be sending you message? Then una gele mwere de buto. Yeah, we go. You have been insulting me for a very long time. You get because manazu no ba. But woman onu lo enwa. Why be saying you they come? Why be saying a presenter they the same message can't give me? Can't return picking a presenter. Can't do this one. This one are the same person where they send me message every day. Go hospital. Go here. Go this. Go do where they go. Or I'm not born now. Maybe no Jesha, but Rude Sharon. Rude Sharon. From Victor Lago. Next time, here get one go me. Call him on the phone. You must not always do video to come and tell me. Because when you dagbone, I need to come and defend myself. So la go again one next time. And I come away easy the honor or not pareo. But for now, like I day and I don't get anything where belong to Sharon where they with me. Nothing, not even a needle. The only thing where they my house now are the small clothes where make me live. Because I me here pa washing machine. I saw ni up more. I saw ni why I was saga need to turn so my car or can or you call it about or we buy a vionet of your so that I will answer because okay now let me person need to run from one. So it's no longer my fault. Sharon sees my heart that I was willing to help. I was willing to be inside. I was willing to assist. But the way it is now, I need to run for you guys. Because if you cannot call me on the phone to tell me, say, Izzy, what's on that Facebook, Sharon? If you want anything about, a Facebook in is at the brink, any small thing can go man, and a Facebook in it, a man raw, no roto the Facebook in it, the Sharon winana, near bagay percentage. So, wagin even working away, money might come. One of the roto Facebook, Sharon, wagin even working here, I remove my hand. Guys, please, I don't have anything that belongs to Sharon that is with me. I hands up. If I have, why are they many November?